In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a maximum width for your website in the Wix Studio Editor, allowing you to have greater control over the appearance of your site across different screen sizes. Let's begin by opening the Wix Studio Editor. This is where all the magic happens, the hub, where you can design and fine-tune your website to suit your vision and needs. Once you've got the editor open, the first thing you need to do is direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here, you'll find an assortment of icons, each representing a different aspect of your website's design. Look for the Site Styles icon and click on it. This will open up a range of options specifically tailored to help you customize the look and feel of your site. After we've accessed the site styles, the next step is to navigate to the Max Width tab. This option is vital, especially if you're looking to control how your web content is displayed on larger screens. By setting a maximum width, you ensure that your design maintains its intended look, even on monitors and devices broader than the width you define. It can make a huge difference in maintaining a professional look and feel, regardless of where your audience views your site. Now, once you're on the Max Width tab, you need to check whether the Apply to Site toggle is enabled. If it's not already on, go ahead and switch it on. This action applies the maximum width setting across your entire site, ensuring a consistent appearance. It's a subtle feature, but incredibly impactful in delivering a unified look. With the toggle now on, it's time to specify your desired maximum width. You'll notice a field where you can enter a value, and this is where you'll put the maximum number of pixels you want your site content to span. For example, if you choose to enter 1200 pixels, any screen wider than this value will display your content centered and fixed at this maximum width, with side margins automatically added. This not only helps in maintaining the visual integrity of your site design, but also contributes to a cleaner, more streamlined appearance, which is often more visually appealing to viewers. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully set a maximum width for your site in the Wix Studio Editor. This simple yet powerful adjustment will help enhance your site's design consistency and improve its overall functionality on wider screens. Spend some time experimenting with different widths to see what works best for your site and audience, and you'll be sure to find the perfect fit that elevates your website's presence online.